cool. All you pretty ladies and kanes out there that have given of yourself to Waikiki, or even if you like to go and visit, because Waikiki needs that. It needs that spirit. It needs us to go and visit every now and then. It's a feeling heavenly. I see memories out of the past, memories that always will last, of a place beside the sea. At night when your shadows are falling, I hear your rolling surf calling, calling and calling to me. Waikiki, 'tis for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning. I'll head to you across the sea. Your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memories. As I recall when I held you in my arms, an angel sweet and heavenly. Waikiki, my whole life is empty without you. I miss that magic about you, magic beside the sea, magic of Waikiki, magic of Waikiki.
Mai Lani
Oh, thank
and
you.
Kau'i Deliri.